Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a what's in my cruise bag video. This is what I'm carrying on board when aboard our cruise ship for our vacation in a few weeks. And I went ahead and packed this bag. I thought it might be helpful for you to see what I take on a cruise, but I also wanted some feedback from you guys in the comments down below. If I've forgotten anything or if anything sounds interesting, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I picked this up from the La Costa website. It was about $200. I fell in love with this raffia bag. It's a lot more sort of knitted than raffia material. Let me bring it a little closer so you can see just how gorgeous the detailing on this is. It is a gorgeous bag. It is definitely quality. I feel like for $200 you cannot go wrong. It has these gorgeous little leather feet and it just screams vacation to me anyway. I love the crocodile on the front, and I went ahead and picked up this really cute sort of nautical keychain and thought that was super cute to go with my cruise bag. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with what is in my bag today. These are all the things that if my luggage doesn't make it to my stateroom, I would want them with me. So there's a lot in here. So grab a snack and a drink and let's get started. All right, so as we onboard, if you've ever done a cruise before, you'll check your bags when you go ahead and start to board. You'll check in your bags and they will end up in your stateroom close to the evening, usually before you go to bed. But these are all the things that I could not go those hours without. So the minute we get on the ship, we get kind of organized in our stateroom and we change directly into our swim stuff. We go check out the slides, we check out the cruise ship, we eat some snacks, and then we go to the pool. And so I always carry our swimsuits on board with me so that we can change into them as soon as we get on board. Because when you spend what you do for a cruise, you want to make sure that every minute of your cruise is enjoyable and fun. And we don't want to have to wait for our stuff to come to the stateroom. Like I said, it's usually not till late that evening. Next, I have a little sun visor for walking around. I want to keep the sun off my face as much as possible. I always carry my watercolor book and my paints with me on vacation because I love to kind of sit down and sketch scenes, especially beach scenes, cruise scenes, especially when we're out to sea. Like, the scenery is gorgeous. So I oftentimes will take this with me. I love to have it, and it just helps when I'm relaxing by the pool to have something to do. Sometimes I'll use a picture as inspiration and just sketch the picture. Sometimes I'll have taken a picture from our cruise somewhere, maybe on one of the ports or, one of the landscapes as we're cruising, and I'll go ahead and start painting. So I love to keep this with me at all times. You never know when inspiration's gonna strike. Another thing I've mentioned in some of my other videos is I do have anxiety, and coloring really helps me with my anxiety. And so I will start to color sometimes if I'm just relaxing by the pool, or if I'm in my stateroom kind of waiting for dinner and we have some time, I'll sometimes pull out my coloring book. Also, we usually fly, so it's always nice to have this in your bag when you're flying. And then I also always carry my little color pencils for when I decide to use my adult coloring book. So I carry that as well. I also have my iPad. Like I said, probably more for the plane ride there than the actual cruise. I very seldom actually use this once we're on board, but it is nice to have with you just in case, or if your kids want to watch something, then you always can let them. Next, I have this really cute cruise pouch, which I picked up from Amazon. When I saw it, I couldn't resist. It was so adorable, and I thought this would be really cute to just grab and go. And so let me show you what I have in here. I have this swim leave-in. It's not only for my hair, I have long hair, but my daughter also has long curly hair, and this helps so much with not getting tangled throughout our trip. We spend so much time in the pool and at the beach when we're cruising, and so this is essential. Next, I have some makeup remover wipes. Sometimes, especially after a long day of travel, you get on the cruise ship, you want to freshen up. So I always like to have these. I also have a little makeup mirror. You never know when you might need to just kind of freshen up throughout your cruise, and it's nice to have with you in your crossbody bag as you walk around the cruise ship sometimes. I really like the Summer Fridays. This is the Jet Lag Skin Soothing Hydration Mist, and it is really, really refreshing. If you travel, you need this in your life. It's super refreshing. It's just plays magic on your senses, and it really does evidently help with jet lag. I don't know if that's true, but it's so refreshing anyway. All right, next I have this really good Color Science Flex sunscreen for your face. It has a little bit of tint to it, which I really appreciate because you don't always want to wear makeup, but you want to look somewhat put together. I love how it does look like a white cast, but then you rub it into the skin and it starts to turn whatever your color skin is, and it just blends and adds a little bit of coverage, but it's super hydrating, pretty, and of course it has amazing sunscreen. All right, I always carry cream just for moisturization's sake. The L'Occitane is a really good one. And I never leave home without this sunscreen. This is my favorite and my favorite for my kids. This is the Kula. It is 70% organic ingredients. It's just a really good sunscreen. It works really well. I've never had anyone get sunburned using it, and the fragrances, there's all different kinds. Ooh, this smells divine. This is the tropical coconut, and it smells like real coconut. It does not smell fake at all. There's so many different fragrances. I highly recommend all in their line. They are so good. I also have a hand sanitizer. You have to carry hand sanitizer on a trip. You touch so many things. This one is super nice. This is Peppermint Twist. I had this since Christmas, but I'm going to use it up. And I also have this really good Laneige lip cream. It is so pretty, you guys. And I just feel like if we're gonna go somewhere tropical and be on a beach, we need to have the creamiest summer lips. So I am here for it. I love this so much. And then the last thing in this little cutie is my Super Goop. This is the Bright Eyed Mineral eye cream, and it has an SPF of 40. It has a nice little pigment to it. It's really, really nice for tired under eyes after a long trip. So next I have my Prada sunglasses. These are my favorites. I'm really excited to be able to sport these on the cruise. And I also wanted to share that I usually will keep a lens wipe in there with them just for easy accessibility and be able to clean my lenses as I need to throughout the trip. And I have some extra ones in my bag. Next, I have a book. Always by the pool on cruises. I like to have something to read while I'm out and about, and this one has been a really good one, and so I highly recommend taking a book with you on your cruise. You just never know if you're going to have that spare time you don't normally have to read. And then I also got this with this little cutie. It kind of came as a set on Amazon, and so I love this so much with the little anchor. It's obviously a little bit water resistant, waterproof, and so in here I put my hair clip, which is the best one. You can actually lean against your seat in the plane or in the car with this one. It just fits against your head. It's not like, you know, the usual claws that like keep you from leaning your head back comfortably. This one's a really good one for travel. I highly recommend this. And then I also have a portable phone charger for my phone for when we're on ports. And I also have my Apple charger for when we're in the room. And then I also have my AirPods. Like I said, I don't really use these much once we get on the ship because, you know, we're doing all the things as a family. We try to limit electronics as much as possible, but it is nice to have on the trip. And so I go ahead and keep that in my bag. So love having these little bags. They're super cute and festive for the event of cruising. I have my little Charlotte Tilbury. This is just the cutest little travel pouch. So it has a mirror on this side, but it has every brush you could possibly need for travel. And so it's nice to have all of your makeup brushes all in one spot. It's super small and compact and portable for travel. So I absolutely love it. So next I have my makeup pouch. This is my Dagny Dover makeup bag. I love this bag. I love that it kind of conforms to whatever you set it in. So like if I need things to fit, this is very flexible. So what I have in here, I'm going to have my full face of makeup because if for whatever reason my baggage didn't make it to my stateroom, I would have my night cream, my day cream. I would have my foundation for the trip. I mean, worst case, your suitcase doesn't make it. You can always buy t-shirts and shorts throughout the ports or even on the ship, which I know is overpriced, but at least it's replaceable. My makeup, I have forgotten my foundation before on a trip. Here's my perfume that I love. This is the best summer perfume. If you haven't tried it, you should. You won't regret it. But I have lost or not brought my foundation before and really regretted it because a lot of ports, and especially if you go on a different country, you're in a different country on your cruising. So I have a mascara and a concealer. A lot of the ports do not have the same items that you have here in the US, and so a lot of times you'll buy benefit, but a lot of ports just won't have the makeup you're used to, and sometimes I break out when I don't have makeup I need. So I have a lip gloss and a lipstick, and I have a makeup sponge as well as another MAC lipstick. And then this is a really cute makeup bag. I absolutely love everything about this little cutie. Then in here I have a MAC blush, which is super summery and pretty. I have a little compact travel Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette. And then I try to be very minimal with makeup, but I still want to look nice for pictures. So I have a lip pencil, and I also have this Summer Fridays lip gloss. So again, that's all the makeup, and that is everything that I have in my cruise bag. This is the really cute little organizer I got off Amazon. It goes perfectly. I love the little trim, goes perfectly with the bag, but I wanted you to see the inside of the bag. So this has the most gorgeous green lining, and then here in this pouch is where I would keep, and there is a card holder for easy access to a credit card if you want to put it there. But I usually will keep my car key in here, nice and safe and locked away, because you don't want to lose your car key on a cruise. And then I also have my card holder with all of my cards in here. And that's nice that you can just zip it up, keep it safe. And of course, if we were traveling internationally, my passport would go in there as well. So gorgeous bag. I am so excited for our cruise. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what is in my cruise bag. If you guys have some suggestions that I need to be adding to this bag, please let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear what you guys can't live without on a cruise. I may have missed something and you guys can bring it to light for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed filming it for you. And I hope you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. And I hope to see you in my next video. And until next time, bye friends.